In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Canon EOS Webcam Utility to run your Canon DSLR as a webcam to dramatically improve the quality of your live streams, your Zooms, your telehealth sessions, just about everything. And at the end of the video, if you guys already have a Canon camera, I'm going to tell you what took me 24 hours to figure out. Why once I installed the EOS Webcam Utility, it wouldn't work until I made this one correction. So watch to the end. It's a super quick fix. So guys, check it out. This is me on my Canon. Now I have a Canon 80D. The Webcam Utility works with multiple camera bodies, but the best part about it is the quality of lens that you can use. So you, like me, you probably have a Logitech 920, probably the industry standard, and you've used it and it's been great. But now with a simple USB cord, and I'm using a lapel mic, a $20 lapel mic from Amazon. I'm using my Acer Predator. This is the Helio 300. I just got this actually on Amazon specifically for video. It's a gaming laptop, but I'm using it for video editing. It is lightning fast compared to what I'm used to. But the purpose of this video today is to introduce Canon's EOS Webcam Utility. It's a free software. Go to the Canon website, go under Utilities, find your camera model, and you should see it. Free to download. Took like 2 minutes to install. Just really, really fast. And what happens is when I go into Zoom, it gives me the option when I'm choosing a camera to choose the onboard camera for my for my laptop, or I can choose the EOS Webcam Utility. So I want to show you just the difference so you can see what it's looking like between the new utility and the existing onboard camera. So I'm going to switch my video source. Now you're looking at me on the what is this? The Acer Predator webcam. This is what comes directly out of the box. And I mean, you can see just the color. Like, look at the fluorescent light right there, the color. You can see in the background, like everything pretty much is in focus. Nothing is blurred. It's a deep depth of field. So when I switch back over to EOS Webcam, now you can just see the richness in the color. This is with no color correction. This is right out of the box, like using Zoom, not making any changes, no special filters, no editing and post-production. This is exactly what it looks like. Look at the beautiful blur on some of the equipment behind me. The richness and the tones. I just think it's dramatic. You know, and like I said, so now I've got this $20 lapel mic that's plugged in straight into my laptop. I've got my Canon 80D that has, I think this might be a 6-foot or 5-foot USB cord plugged straight into the camera. The camera is sitting on a tripod. You know, it's probably about 5 feet away from me. I'm using a 17 to 55 millimeter telephoto lens, and it's zoomed in enough. I think the aperture is at 2.2, or the f-stop's at 2.2, so that I can get a blur on the equipment behind me. But just think of the quality of something like this. If you're going to do a telehealth session with a client, they probably don't care too much. But if you're going to be recording YouTube videos like this one, this raises your level of professionalism tenfold. So guys, I told you in the beginning of the video, when I installed the webcam utility, it wouldn't work, and I couldn't figure out why. If you have a Canon, you probably have the EOS utility already installed on your computer. The EOS utility apparently is incompatible with the webcam utility. So what I had to do was go back in, uninstall Canon EOS Utility, and then my webcam utility would work. So guys, I can't believe it took me that long to figure it out, but it did. If you want to use this free software, go to the Canon website. Make sure you don't have the EOS Utility already installed. If you do, uninstall it. find your camera model, download the webcam utility, install it, and start producing much better video. Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.